We discussed that similar to analog input, there is analog output too. Could be either 4 to 20 milliampere or 0 to 10 volt DC. There are terminals as you can see on the screen. This output signal is there to be taken to either PLC or to any indicator, which will be displaying the reading, or that device will take some action which we can define in the controller or PLC. But now the question comes, what data we can transfer using analog output? So there is a list of functions which we can use for processing or displaying or both. For example, you can select output frequency. So whatever is the output frequency, the analog output will scale and deliver the data in the form of 0 to 10 volt DC or 4 to 20 milliampere, whichever option is available. So we can select output current or voltage or power. There are many options. All you need to do is to check the list in the parameters. In the demo, the analog output will be 0 to 10 volt and I will be using digital multimeter to display. Before beginning, I will explain few things. As a default setting, the frequency will be 0 to 60 Hz. So scale with 0 to 10 volt DC means 1 volt will be equal to 6 Hz. 5 volt, which is half of 10 volt DC, will be equal to 30 Hz. And 60 Hz, which is the full speed, will get us 10 volt DC. Similar is the case for output current and voltage. So now with this concept, let's begin with demo. First you will press mode and then you will go to OUT group. In OUT group, OU number 1 is the connection which I made with this multimeter, and here I have selected frequency. If I make it 6 Hertz, it should give me 1 volt. So you can see here 1.02, and here it is 6 Hertz, and at full speed, which is 60, it should give me 10 volt. So here when I am getting full speed, I am getting 10 volts. Similarly, I can select other functions also. For example, right now ampere is 0. So if I choose amperes as an output, I should get 0 voltage over here. Output current. Once I run it, you can see it's just millivolts, and here there is 0 amperes. I'll make it stop. Let's select any other parameters. Output voltage. So let's make it 10 Hertz. And here you can see the output voltage. If I make 30 Hertz, the voltage will definitely be half of the rated, that is half of 220, so it will be around 113, and I'm getting 5 volt.